After clicking the link for the Clover wallet, you will be taken to the Chrome Store Clover Wallet install page. Click the button to add the Clover Wallet extension to your browser. Confirm. Now wait while the extension is installed. After your wallet is installed, you can open it by clicking on the icon. You may also pin the wallet to the browser by clicking the pin icon. To start a new wallet, click the Clover Wallet icon and select Create New Wallet. Enter a secure password for your wallet and make a note of it. At this point, you will reveal your seed phrase and write it down. This is the key to restoring your wallet and must be kept safe. Make a backup copy and keep them in a safe place, such as a safety deposit box. Then, you will confirm your seed phrase and enter it in the order you wrote it down to verify it. Remember, it is your responsibility to keep your seed phrase safe. Now click Continue. And then click Done. Now, from the Asset Overview page, select Clover. And then click the address at the top to copy your Clover address and provide that to CoinList to receive your tokens.